Good morning. You are listening to Utkarshni, your news anchor from Lava Farah Media. Here, we bring you the latest updated news from around the world. Today, 3rd June 2020. Let us start the day firstly with the world news. At least 6 police officers were shot at during the violent protest over the death of George Floyd, an African and American man in police custody, hours after US President Donald Trump threatened he would deploy the military if the ongoing unrest does not stop. New York was under a curfew that would last until Tuesday, officially said, after looters raid stores in central Manhattan targeting some of the city's top retailer. The Houston City Police Chief has asked US President Donald Trump to keep his mouth shut after his sharp comment aimed at Governor in the wake of violent protest following the deaths of George Floyd. The Chinese city of Wuhan has tested more than 9.89 million residents for the coronavirus since last month, completing the biggest mass testing for COVID-19 pathogen in less than 3 weeks. Healthcare systems across Latin America risk being overwhelmed by coronavirus, the World Health Organization (WHO) has said, as the death toll from the disease in hard-hit Brazil near 30,000. Throughout January, the WHO publicly praised China for what it called a speedy response to the new coronavirus. It repeatedly thanked the Chinese government for sharing the genetic map of virus immediately and said its work and commitment to transparency work were very impressive and beyond words. Total globally cases are 6.5 million and total globally deaths are 3,79,427. Now we shall move to some Indian news. The number of coronavirus disease cases in India surpassed 2 lakh on Tuesday, nearly doubling over 15 days, even as a considerable reopening of national transport and business activity fluid fears localized outbreak emerging in new areas beyond urban hot spots that have so far pushed the contagion. PM Narendra Modi on Tuesday voiced confidence in the economic ability to return to the path of rapid growth, listing it among his government top priorities and pledging its commitment to systematic reforms aimed concerned that the coronavirus disease pandemic could plunge India into a prolonged slowdown. In the first official acknowledgement of a troop build up along the disputed border with China, Defense Military Rajnath Singh on Tuesday said a significant number of Chinese troops were present along the line of actual control. In eastern Ladakh, an Indian army had matched the neighbors' military moves. This came to a day the two sides met again to ease the tensions. The capital reported 1,298 new cases of coronavirus disease on Tuesday, taking the total number of cases reported in the city so far to 22,312 as per the Delhi government daily health and bulletin. Assam gas well blowout puts biodiversity at risk. Migrant jobs may be fall up to 30% after COVID-19. Healthcare can be the next IT sector. Total number of coronavirus cases in India is 2,07,1102 and deaths are 5,753. I, Utkarshni, will come with the new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.